How to change Instagram password in iPhone. If you would like to change your Instagram password on your iPhone, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, come to your profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right. Tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side, and from there just go to Account Center. From Account Center, just go to Password and Security, and there at the top you'll find an option that says Change Password. Tap on it, and as you tap on Change Password, select your Instagram account. Just type in your current password and enter the new password, and re-enter the new password that you want to change to, and tap on the change button. Now if you don't remember your current password, you can also tap on forgot your password button right there in order to reset using your phone number or your email address. Either way, this is the way on how you can change the Instagram password in iPhone. I hope this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you soon as always in the next video.